Warning, what you're about to view might be highly racist or possibly funny. Do not take any responsibility for premature ejaculation during this video. Enjoy.
We just have to be alive long enough, guys. Oh wait, no, you've already done it right now, eh?
Live.
This boat is going to go where no boat has ever ventured before.
Charge has been...
Yeah. Imagine someone just going up to us and they're just like, what the fuck? If only this boat gun was aiming like forward, not backward.
There's a tank over there, I think. Yeah, there's a tank over there.
Come at us! So, thank you right now. We got taken out by a javelin. Oh. Go back a bit more. I can't! Oh, okay, now I can. Oh, yes!
Enemy gunner.
Are you watching third person? Look, here's a teammate just like, what the fuck? Look at his teammate just trailing behind us. He's in the boat, he's in the boat. Luckily I'm a heavy machine. Watch out, there's a tank down this way. I can't, I need to reload. I got a suppression ribbon though, it's so good. There's a tank, the tank doesn't even know, we're just walking past. The enemy was just like, what the fuck? Are you recording this? You have to... Oh, stop.
Get back here.
Back, guys.
No, keep going forward. Oh, I was about to shoot this dude.
You guys achieved it. Wait,
There's just like there's a boat tank being destroyed in the middle of a level. Just look in the air.
I'm right next to some big pipes.
Yeah, look at it!
What in the hell? I can see it. Oh my god.
You know where we are now.
Yeah, so that...
Oh wait, I got shot out of it, Poofy. Is all you Scorpion